Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to mathematics, and we are solving A-level CI's paper Pure Maths 1, paper code 9709, variant 12 October November 2025. So let's begin with question 2. Question 2 says that find the term independent of x in the expansion of this. So we have two formulas for the binomial expansion. One is if you have a plus b whole power n, so the expansion is like nc0 a to the power n b to the power 0, then nc1 a to the power n minus 1 b to the power 1, and in the same way the powers of a continue to decrease and the powers of b continue to increase by 1. Then we have one more formula for this, that is the termed formula. So how will we be going to solve it? We will be solving it in this way. If you have, let's take what is a is your 2x square, b is minus 3 over x, and n is 6. So let's substitute these things here. So 6cr 2x square to the power 6 minus r and b to the power r. So we need a term that is independent of x. That means we will solve out these simplify this expression. Whatever x to the power we get, we will equate it to the x to the power 0 to get to that term which is independent of x. Okay, so let's solve it further. It will give you 6cr 2 to the power 6 minus r x to the power 2 times 6 minus r minus 3 to the power r and x to the power minus r because it will go in the numerator. Then I will be solving these two x terms. 6cr 2 to the power 6 minus r minus 3 to the power r x to the power 12 minus 2r minus r, so that gives you x to the power 12 minus 3r. Okay, we combine all the x terms together, so we will be substituting them here. So 12 minus 3r. Now 12 minus, this implies that 12 minus 3r will be equals to 0 because we need the term independent of x. So r turns out to be 3r equals 12 and r equals to 4. So your term would be 6c4 2 to the power 6 minus 4 minus 3 to the power 4 and x to the power 12 minus 3 times 4. So what it would be, 64 is 15, 2 to the power 2 gives you 4 and 3 to the power 4 gives you 81 and x to the power 12 minus 12 is 0. So what this gives you, 15 times 4 times 8, that will be 4860. Okay, so this is the term that you can say T5 because it is r plus 1 4 plus 1 5. So this is the term that is independent of x. You can expand by using binomial expansion also, and you can then out of all those terms you can see which one is giving you x to the power 0 or independent of x, or you can use this term formula that is far more better for you to find out the exact term that is independent of x. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.